Here we have the ported version of audio recorder from the latest Pixel 4. So it can be installed on devices running Android 9 and above. Today in this video we are taking a deep look at the same and we'll find out will it work perfectly on other devices. Welcome back my friends, hope you are doing well. This is me your host vmsulthan. If you have followed up with the latest news about the Pixel 4, you will be knowing the great features of audio recorder. Actually, this is exclusive to Pixel 4 devices only, at least for now, but the Google decided not to launch the Pixel 4 devices in India. So for us, the only way to experience these features in our device is with a ported version of the same. So that's exactly what we are going to do by today. So we are testing the ported version of audio recorder from Google on Samsung S7, which is running the Android P or 9. And let's find out if every single feature does work well or not. So installation is pretty straightforward. Just download the latest application from the link provided below and then install it by providing the required permission. Opening it up, we get a simple UI with a record button at the bottom, and here is where the record files do list. In the settings, there is nothing but an option to change the user interface theme to dark and light. Now let's record a voice and see how do the recordings differ from others. So as you can see, it is a new kind of recorder by which it can capture each scene and then it gets respective labels and saves into the same audio file itself, which you can later be used for searching for a particular area. If there is an applause sound in the recorded voice, you can simply search for applause and those areas will be highlighted with a yellow bar. The same goes for other categories like speech, music, whistle, etc. The most futuristic of all is live transcription. As we record our voice, it understands word by word and gets transcribed and saved within the audio file itself, which later we can copy or save the text as a file. Or this transcription does helps to find the exact position of a spoken word by searching through the audio. I have to say that the transcription does work very well even with my non-native English accent. That means this recorder could be a perfect choice to note down the notes on a lecturer. A very good job done by the Google. In short, this could be a smart voice recorder in all kinds. I honestly believe that if they could release it officially on the Google Play Store, that could be a game changer in the audio recording application. Nonetheless, if your device does runs Android 9 or above, yourself can give a try and let me know in the comments below what you feel about this recorder. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hope to see you all in the next one. But before get going, follow me and say hi on social media at vmsulthan. You can definitely find the links below. And be sure to make your click count by like, share and subscribe button. Or maybe you can also use the dislike button too. That also will work well. Anyway, peace out my friends.